I think with visuals, what we really try to do with in our particle work, interestingly, is not really start with the composition, but to start with showing sizes, distributions of particles. What happens as a function of time? Or show spatial distributions. What happens as a function of wind direction or whatever. So, oh look, we have this plume of particles that are coming from over in this direction. That's kind of interesting. Or, the sun came up and all of a sudden there's this burst of particles that are formed. So, because I think those measurements, at least initially, there are graphical displays of those that are more engaging, and you can also then link that to video or pictures, like earlier we talked about outside, and there's probably new particle formation out here today, Oh, there's a photograph of outside. Now, if you look at this from, numbers of particles versus time, this is what happened on this nice, what looks like crisp fall day. And then we go from there to chemical composition from that. So, oh, look, you have this burst of particles when the wind came from this direction or when the sun came up or, whatever. What is happening? Well, here's chemical composition. What is that telling us about it? And then how does this relate to climate? Well, look, these particles are growing during the day, and some of them are pushing up into the size range where they can be seeds for cloud condensation nuclei. So that's the approach, at least, that I use.